Oh, we're about to make a big mess. Somebody did a real number on installing this. That's like, I don't even know what the hell that is. When I bought this place, it already had an exit light, but it wasn't very good. I let it go, and then somebody decided to destroy it, so now we're going to change it. It's great to change the little things in your laundromat because it shows that you care. It shows that you like your place, and it makes your customers feel like that somebody's appreciated. So that's what we're going to do today. It's just screwed in, I think, to a beam. We're about to find out. Watch out. Dryer sheet. We're going to have to unscrew it, undo the power. Try not to shock ourselves because this is live. Alright, got that. There we go. We could technically reuse this, but it's all faded. And it's heavy. So open up the new one right here. Pretty. See, the other one was so heavy it was pulling down the ceiling. I think I'm going to get lucky and be able to just re-screw it in because this one isn't as heavy. So it just mounts in there, basically just like that, slides in there. So we got to mount this to the ceiling. I'm about to uncover some mess. Oh, we're about to make a big mess. Somebody did a real number on installing this. That's like, I don't even know what the hell that is. It looks like it, doesn't it? I don't know what it is. I mean, you start digging into these places and you find all kinds of things people did or didn't do right. That's why a lot of times we just rip it all out. That was the biggest mistake I made with this place, was not just gutting the whole place and redoing it, because I have constantly run across stupid shit like this. Bye. 2 foot. 2 by 2. You always cut on the finished side with ceiling tile. Nothing likes me today. Alright, let's see where this box lines up. The reason we're doing this is because once we put that clamp up, it'll actually not allow us to put a ceiling tile back in. You know, it's better. Not bad. It's because I moved that box, remember? What do you think of that? Good? Alright, let's put the cover on. Go get the shop vac. I'm going to clean that up. Clean this up real quick and be done. Ceiling tile. mount back in place. Yeah, there you go. Another job well done. You'll see, little things make a big difference. Thanks for watching. Hope you found it fun.